like your metabolism is still stuck in slow motion, yet you're trying to do all the things? I'm going to walk you through exactly how I help clients and patients rev up their metabolism and get their fire burning and finally see the results that they've been waiting for. If you've struggled to boost metabolism, you feel like it's broken, and you feel like you're alone in this, I promise you, you are not alone. The solution lies in a targeted, individualized approach that gets to the root of why your metabolism is not functioning optimally. I want to explain the step-by-step process I use to help clients and patients identify and address the underlying causes of a slow metabolism, from the foundational lifestyle habits to uncovering issues with hormones, nutrients, inflammation. We'll pinpoint your obstacles and create a personalized plan to ignite that fat-burning process. First up, we assess the foundational 5. What are the foundational 5? These are sleep, stress, nutrition, exercise, and relationships. The quality of your relationships, the joy you're getting in relationships. This foundational 5 is critical to build a strong base of health for life, okay? So we assess where you're at in that foundational 5. Then we identify potential deficiencies in key hormones like cortisol, insulin, leptin, thyroid, your sex hormones. All of these influence your metabolic regulation. Next, we check for nutritional imbalances, gut health issues, all of this stuff, immune system issues that could sabotage your metabolism. I really do love to use specialty testing to test nutrient levels and consider targeted supplementation, which will help provide the raw materials your metabolism needs to thrive. Finally, the right combination of proven lifestyle changes, high-quality nutrients, and metabolic support supplements will get your metabolism firing on all cylinders. When you actually address the specific underlying causes of your sluggish metabolism with precision and consistency, you'll start burning. You'll start revving that up. You'll start feeling energized and seeing results that last. I'm confident that this comprehensive approach can help you achieve the vigorous metabolism and health goals that you deserve. To get started optimizing your metabolic function, book a consultation at meganbliss.com and let's ignite your metabolism together.